All right, so today we're going to talk about Google Ads for cleaning services. One of the biggest things I've noticed over the years after generating more than 20,000 leads for cleaning services is this. You are going to waste a lot of money when it comes to poor matches and irrelevant keywords. One of the biggest things you have to look out for is irrelevant services, right? So if you are a residential cleaner, you don't want to show up for commercial cleaning type keywords or gutter cleaning or driveway cleaning or let's say someone's even looking for dog cleaning. Now, when it comes to these type of keywords, the only real way to avoid them from the very, very early stages is to block them. That's by adding negative keywords. And to do that, you're going to sit down and think a lot about it and put this stuff on a list and then add it to your account. This can take several hours and a lot of time over the course of weeks as far as really thinking about it. Now, if you have an account that's been running for a while, you can actually go into your account. You can go under keywords. You can go under search terms and look at the data over this long period of time and figure out, what keywords or what words in the search terms that come up are not really good fits, that are irrelevant, that are, wasting money for your business. This is another process that will take a while, especially if you've been spending thousands of dollars per month. But if you're new, unfortunately, the only way to get this data is to, go out and buy it. One way where you can kind of avoid both of these scenarios, both as far as trying to think this stuff through and anticipate what you don't want to show up for or what would be irrelevant based on what people are searching for, is working with someone that has, worked with a lot of cleaning service businesses before. We have a very comprehensive list of, more than 100 specific, negative keywords that will block out more than 90% of this wasted ad spend and these irrelevant searches. And if this is something that, you think your business might be able to benefit from by getting that good head start and being able to take advantage of, just click that link below. That link will take you to our website where you can set up a time to set a meeting with us and we can talk about your current scenario and how we might be able to help you.